Here, I entered a short position. Now I'll tell you the reasons. Before that, I want to teach you this. Look, a trader's main principle shouldn't be just about where to enter the market. The better trader is the one who knows where they should not enter the market. Identifying where you shouldn't enter the market is much more important than identifying where you should enter. So I might even say it's more important than a correct entry for a trader to understand where they shouldn't enter the market. Now, if I had entered the market here, I would have hit my stop loss. If I had entered the market here, I would have hit my stop loss. It was too early because it hadn't shown us this kind of exhaustion yet. The exhaustion was completed exactly at this step, which is when we entered the position. You see, here it completed its upward momentum. We entered a short position, but if we had entered earlier here, we would have hit our stop loss. If we had entered here, we would have hit our stop loss again. How much profit are we in? We're in $300 of profit. Let me close half of the position. Now we're still in with another 0.2, and the price is dropping like this. We're still with it, and we had a good entry. I'll bring the stop loss a bit lower. I'll put it behind this. I'll hit save. We could have taken some more profit here as well. The price dropped really well. I'll close a bit more here. So it was in two steps. One was here, another was around here, roughly here. And we'll stay in the position to see how far it drops. So you understood what I said. The principle of correct trading, let me put it this way, maybe it's better. The principle of correct trading, okay guys, I'm closing the position here. It was at this very point, we caught it here and we exited here within 3 minutes, okay? So the principle of correct trading is to be someone who knows where not to enter a position. Patience is the most important element with which you can succeed in the market. Even if I had entered here, it still would have been too early. Meaning the best entry we had was here. Even here, some of you guys could have entered, but then you would have had to exit just now. Since our entry was very timely, we made our full exit at these points.